Ever wondered which bugs are good for your garden and which ones are not? Well, it's a fascinating world beneath those blooming blossoms and lush green leaves. So buckle up as we delve into the tiny, often overlooked but incredibly significant world of garden bugs. Imagine the garden as a bustling city and the bugs as its residents. Just like any city, there are the good guys, the bad guys, and those who fall somewhere in between. Bees, ladybugs, and spiders are like the superheroes of your garden city. These bugs are beneficial and they play essential roles to keep your garden healthy and thriving. Bees, for instance, are nature's top-notch pollinators. They buzz from flower to flower, spreading pollen and ensuring your garden blooms year after year. Ladybugs and spiders are nature's pest control. They feast on aphids and other harmful bugs, keeping their population in check. If you spot these friendly bugs in your garden, consider it a sign of a healthy ecosystem. Now, let's talk about the villains of our garden city. Grub worms and caterpillars are like the notorious gangsters wreaking havoc on your beautiful plants. Grub worms are notorious root eaters. They live underground and love munching on the roots of your plants, causing them to wither and die. Caterpillars, on the other hand, are the leaf munchers. These seemingly innocent creatures can decimate your plants in no time. It's not that they're inherently evil, but their appetite can prove disastrous for your garden. So how can we balance this ecosystem? Well, it starts with understanding that each bug has a role to play. Encourage the good bugs, plant a variety of flowers to attract bees, create a welcoming environment for spiders and ladybugs, and they'll help control the pest population. As for the bad bugs, consider natural pest control methods. Introduce nematodes to combat grubworms. These microscopic worms are harmless to your plants, but deadly to grubs. Encourage birds into your garden to take care of caterpillars. A simple bird feeder can turn your garden into a haven for these natural pest controllers. In summary, not all bugs are bad. Bees, ladybugs, and spiders are the good guys, helping your garden thrive. Grub worms and caterpillars, however, can harm your garden, but natural pest control methods can keep them in check. Remember, your garden is a little city, teeming with life. By understanding and respecting all its tiny residents, you can create a balanced, beautiful, and productive garden.